So typically I don't film when I'm checking zero, but today we've got the 6-dasher out, MVT LSS Gen 3, and we're quickly just gonna shoot 3 rounds on paper just to check zero. Well, that would freaking do it. Damn, son. Okay, I call that zeroed, guys. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a really cool tool, more specifically on the side of my rifle here, the SG Pulse Pro. Now, if you are like me, you have a drawer somewhere in your house full of cables, okay, with specific little chargers that go with specific items that you've bought. Now, the big update for the SG Pulse Pro is the fact that it now has USB-C. So all the little connectors and things are USB-C, which is awesome because that's one less cable I have to worry about, and we all by now have in said drawer also a bunch of spare USB-C cables. Now, a couple of things to note. This is essentially a 3-in-1 tool. By the way, please excuse the cattle behind me with the occasional moo that might come through here. So this tool does 3 things, as I mentioned. It is, number 1, a level. Okay, so it gives you an indication of the level of your rifle. As you guys know, the further you shoot out, the more cant, in other words, this you have in your rifle, effectively you will be bending your bullets off target if you're shooting with a skew rifle. And we often see this at competitions, especially when new shooters are coming. They go onto a target and all of a sudden they feel like they're stable, like even at 300 meters. And I'll look over and see, oh boy, there's like quite a bit of cant in that rifle. And then you're not going to hit the broadside of a barn doing that. So that's really cool. Now it does it in 2 ways. Number 1, you can have the ocular eyepiece, which is an extra that I've got here on my rifle. And then peripherally, and I'll show you guys some footage of this from behind the camera, you can then see how much your rifle is canted. And I've set mine up to a 1.2 degree margin of error off the center. So basically I've got 0.6 to the right and 0.6 to the left. If I'm in that, it's going to show me green, which is level enough for me. Obviously you can play that depending on how good you are at keeping your rifle level. Now, I've never really been a big bubble level on the side of a scope kind of guy because you have to physically look at it. And when I'm doing precision rifle or whatever I'm busy doing, I want to be able to just absorb that information without having to specifically look at something. And that's where the little eyepiece, the ocular mount, is really cool because you can see that peripherally. Also, if you don't have that, on the side here, I should actually have this rifle positioned like this. On the side here, on the unit itself, it also has LEDs. So if you're not running the eyepiece, it will do the exact same thing for you, okay, with the LEDs on the unit. The next thing this unit does, it's also a timer. Now, time management is without a doubt one of the most crucial skills to master if you want to shoot PRS, precision, long range, rimfire stuff, all of those things. As soon as the timer goes beep, people's heads start spinning, okay? And you see this so often, and I've been guilty of that. Like, the range officer will go, you understand the course of fire, beep, and then like the whole plan goes out the window. It's almost like that Mike Tyson, the plan goes out the window as soon as you get punched in the face. Now, it's really cool about having the timer. Not only is it an incredible training tool for a day like today, whether you're shooting paper or steel like we're going to be shooting in today's video, it's really nice for on the stage if you know, like, man, I'm going to run out of time here. Then you can, because you can visually see that, how much time you've got left, you can also pre-program where you want it to warn you. Let's say 30 seconds left, 15 seconds left, 5 seconds left. Because I've often seen people rushing to get through the end of the stage instead of just knowing that they're not going to finish the end of the stage and then taking their time on the targets that they can actually engage with good shots. They end up rushing those shots to try and get to the last few shots, which they don't get to anyway, and then leaving points on the table. And you cannot afford to make little mistakes like that. So it's really cool that it does that. Now, the third thing, and this is where it really shines, it's also a dope card. Now, again, I'm going to show you guys some footage here of what it actually looks like. We're going to set up a little bit of a mock range here just now. I'm going to do some shooting to show you the level and the stuff here at 300 odd meters. Then we're going to back things off. It depends on this cattle, whether they give us an opportunity or not. But hopefully we can lob some bullets over the top of them and show you guys some of those dope card features too. But effectively, with the little remote on the start here, not only do you start your stage like that, in other words, to start your time running, okay, you can also cycle through the little targets like that. So if I know, right, my first target I'm already dialed for, as soon as I've engaged that, I just hit the little thumb button and it can mount here with the little M-lock slots on the side of your rifle or here on your forend. I've put mine right by my thumb here so that when I'm standing like port arms to start a stage, it's right there and I'm in the fight effectively as soon as I let go of that button. But you can use that button to cycle through your targets, which is really cool. Because I've done the armboard thing, then it moves on you. I've done the little turret tape thing, then you get confused. So this is a clear ABC, whatever target. The really cool thing also, you set it up on your phone, it's instantly on the device, and the app is super friendly. Now that is a general overview of what this thing does. What you guys probably want to see is the SG Pulse Pro in action. So without further ado, let's get some ammo. And actually, we might actually just shoot from this. This could work lekker. So I'm going to grab some ammo. Let's fire this thing up, shall we? Alrighty guys, so this wouldn't be a precision rifle video if we didn't do precision rifle stuff. So we have a target at 305 meters. All I'm going to do now is focus peripherally to make sure I'm squeezing off good level shots. I'm going to shoot the left one, right one, and then the left one. So without further ado, by the way, their phone app has a really cool timer feature, and they also have like specific IPSC timers and stuff like that too. I use the training app on the phone quite a lot when I'm leading up to big precision rifle matches. Right, 3, 2, 1. See what I did there? I gave you guys a beep with the software in post-production. Center, bit left. Oh, and he done it. Woo! Man, that never gets old. I don't know about you guys, but shooting paper sucks compared to shooting steel. Okay, this is going to get real boring here at 300 meters, so let's see if the cattle gives us an opportunity to lob some lead over them. I think it's worth noting that this is not a precision rifle only tool. You don't need to shoot precision rifle matches or rimfire matches or any of those kind of things to use this tool. If you're just a serious long-range plinker, you like gadgets like I do, I think we all do. If you're watching this channel, you do. It's really nice. For us, I shoot a lot of matches, style of competitions that aren't precision rifle specific. You know, long-range prone matches. All of those you need to manage your dope. All of those you need to know your rifle is level, because if we're shooting a long engagement like we're about to 821 meters, if you have a different level of cant every time, you cannot really correct for a missed shot. So let's see what we can do here at 821, almost 900 yards. Little 105 Nosler custom comp in the wind. I've dialed 1.7 mil right. Our rifle is level. My elevation is 8.2. Let's send it. Okay, let's do it again. I think the wind died on that second one. Let's grab another round. It's very tricky when shooting a little 6 mil over distance like this, and it is a tiny plate. I mean, that plate is 0.2 MRAD to each side, so it's 0.4 MRAD wide, which is considered tiny. Let's go for something a little bit bigger towards the right there. Love it. Let's do some PRS type stuff too, shall we? Okay guys, I've set up like a kind of PRS-ish stage. I'm going to shoot the target that's sort of just above the roof. The angle's not the greatest, but we'll be flying him in over the roof. I'm deliberately going to slow my pace down. I'm going to shoot 2 rounds, move, 2 rounds, move, 2 rounds, move. Hopefully what you guys are able to see is the little graph of how it's actually tracking your data if you're using the phone to record. And the other nice thing about this, it's actually way more than a 3-in-1 tool, because it's a 4-in-1 tool, if not more, because you can really diagnose what you're doing after the fact when paired with the phone. So without further ado, let's start us off. I've got 90 seconds on here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, begin. Toot. Okay, this gate is going to be Wobble City. But I'm deliberately going to slow this down, as I mentioned, close our bolt, not shoot a cow. Impact. Good, nice and level. Both eyes open helps you see the peripheral way easier. Another impact there. Okay, definitely lost that piece of brass. Let's move this lance because it's got such a long barrel with the suppressor in the current configuration. Typically we don't shoot a lot of suppressors, but you guys will see more and more suppressors on the channel, and we can get to why in a little bit. Ding. Let's shoot the bigger one, because we'll get a nice little clang back. Okay, we have 19 seconds left. We have to hurry. Okay, that's the nice thing. Now I know. Okay, cool. Building my position. I've got 10 rounds to squeeze off. There we hear the peep. 2 good trigger pulls here. 6 seconds left. There we go. Dink! Easy peasy. So, really helps you slow the pace down a little bit. Oh, we have another round here. Might as well flick that one down range too. Ding. Big plate doesn't actually ring nice today. Okay, let's recover brass and then wrap this up. Okay, so guys, that's the SG Pulse Pro in a nutshell. I have to apologize. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I actually leaked accidentally. This product is coming out now with USB-C. You guys will watch this video on launch day, and I kind of just posted that on my Instagram without knowing, because I have really bad ADHD and really bad dyslexia, so I can't read good and I don't pay attention, so I just posted it. Sorry, Shooters Global, about that. But guys, freaking rad tool. I'll show you guys something over here. With a little bit of fancy editing, I can bring in the tracking and stuff. So something to look out for, and this is how you can really use this as a training tool. When you're shooting your rifle, you'll notice that this amount of movement, you'll see then MOA. Ignore the cant for now. This is just that little round circle which we'll have up here. That is how much wobble I have effectively in my system while I'm shooting, which is not good, as you can imagine. So what's cool about the app, and the fact that you can do this on your phone and then watch the video back after the fact, is you can now try, okay, what happens if I hold my hand like this? What happens if I use this kind of rear bag? If I lean into my rifle? If I don't lean? If I free recoil? All of these things is something you can now diagnose. So it's a really cool training tool. Also, when it comes to recoil management, try different things, because you can see, boom, my rifle's recoiling straight and back. So straight up and down is what you're looking for. And you guys would have noticed on those last 2 shots where I was rushing a little bit, my recoil management was not great. Or is it the boof, up and skew movement, which is not what you want, because then your rifle's going to be jumping all over the show. So there's so many cool little things that you can use this tool for beyond what it just sort of on face value. So anyway, that is my overview of the SG Pulse Pro, the new improved version. We also have the stripped down versions of just the level. We've got the Pro, everything at Impact Pro Shop. If you are on the internet, just type in Impact Pro Shop South Africa into Google, and you'll find our business, and you guys supporting us there goes a hell of a long way to supporting the channel. If you want to learn how to shoot long range super proficiently, I've got an online training course that you guys can also check out. I'm going to have a little flash sale if you use this coupon, and that's going to get you a really nice saving to get you into the top selling precision rifle course on the internet. There's absolutely no doubt about that. We've sold thousands and thousands of courses through our reloading, our precision rifle, our long range clinics, all of those kind of things. And the feedback every month, the feedback is amazing. So that also helps a ton in supporting the channel. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love. Bye.